Hello people, my name is Jackline Mensah, aka Lasino, your one and only TikTok goddess, and I'm here at MX24 to face the fans. I was feeling on top of the world. Like, it was a good feeling. I can't explain it, but it was a good feeling. Before I was like, yeah, put that phone away and go and take your books. But they accepted it gradually. Oh, it's I just go on TikTok and then find a trending sound and then tap on the sound and use the sound and use trending hashtags. So it's more like I don't plan what I want to do. It depends on how the day is going and what is happening on the app. Oh, this girl crash, she's not even funny. She's following the crowd, like that kind of thing. Yes. Actually, I wanted to go. I actually went off for a while. I went off for like 2 weeks. I wasn't making content because sometimes as a content creator, it's sort of like you run out of ideas and you don't want to be feeding the audience with the same content over and over again. So sometimes you become depressed, like you just don't know what to do. Social media has really given me that exposure. I have met a lot of people. I've been to places I never thought I would be going to be. And yeah, the money is coming. Jackline Mensah. Oh, she's like the goddess. No one can beat her. Like, she's good. She knows what she's doing. Yeah. Gender. I think, okay, gender doesn't really play like a major role. It depends on what you are giving us. So whether being male or female, you can just give it to us and we are going to accept you like that. I think it's very normal, very often. Very often. I don't think I have an ideal one. Maybe someday I will, but for now, no. Okay, maybe I have a thing for tall guys, that's what I know, but I don't really have like an ideal man yet. So if you are short, please don't try to be tall. I can't see you. Yeah, I'm an old school girl. But then I like this Lie by Kiss Daniel. I'm currently enjoying it. Yeah.
Lenko Psycho, Mr. Fortune, it's a problem, sweetie. Take, bien. My dream, my dream. Tough girl, never had my dream. Many moments cannot even count. So much see now this the harvest time. Chose the dollar sign. Head and picture sing the gang signs. We got my game. So I play one top, I can't afford for paper.
More time. Or win a lottery. Oh, private. Online. My love life. I get paid for it. Bajo. Shatawale. Bononi. Jometo. Sarah, Sagodia. Omwada. Hey. This for the ladies, like, because I'm Jackie. My mind there for you. Shatawali, thank you. Bonani. Omwada versus Yebe sorry in this case. Shatawali. Sorry. Shatawali, thank you. Okay, people, so this is Jackline Mensah, aka Lasu, your one and only TikTok goddess. And I'm right here at MX24 and I just faced the fans.